Hello friends, today we are discussing matter in surroundings lesson. Everything in the universe is made up of particles. Scientists have named as matter. Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Early Indian philosophers classified matter in the form of 5 basic elements. The Pancha Tattva. They are air, earth, fire, sky, and water. Matter was divided into 5 types. First one. Physical nature of matter. It was again divided into 2 types. They are matter is made of particles. And how small are these particles of matter? Let us discuss about matter is made of particles. For a long time 2 schools are fighting about matter is made up of small particles, or matter is continuous. Let you do an activity about matter is made up of small particles or countenance. Take a 100 milliliter beaker, full half of the beaker with water. Add sugar or salt and stir with a glass rod. Observe any change in water level. We observed that there is no change in particles of matter, because that the matter is made up of particles. And between the spaces of particles the sugar particles settled down. So we conclude that matter is made up small particles. Let us discuss about how small are these particles of matter. Let's do an activity. Take a beaker, add 100 milliliter of water in it, and add 2 or 3 crystals of potassium permanentum. Dissolve it. Take 10 milliliter of solution in the previous beaker, and add this 10 milliliter of solution in new 90 milliliter of clear water beaker. Repeat this for 5 times. We observed that for every time diluting, we see that the density was changing, but the color was visible. In this experiment we conclude that there must be millions of tiny particles are there in just one crystal of potassium permanente. Let's see the summary of this view too. Matter is made up of small particles. Millions of tiny particles are there in just one crystal of potassium permanentum.